Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegan tuna. We'll start with the star ingredient, chickpeas. These humble legumes are crucial for achieving that flaky, satisfying texture reminiscent of traditional tuna. To infuse our dish with a delightful umami depth, we'll incorporate nutritional yeast. And for that unmistakable taste of the ocean, a touch of dried seaweed, like nori or dulse, is absolutely essential. These three components form the foundation of our delicious plant-based creation. Now let's talk about building that classic tuna salad flavor. A creamy base is key, so we'll use a generous half cup of vegan mayonnaise or a similar creamy binder. For a subtle tang and depth, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard works wonders. Finely diced celery and red onion, about 1/4 cup of each, will add a delightful crunch and freshness. Finally, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, approximately 1 tablespoon, brightens all the flavors beautifully, bringing everything into perfect harmony. The preparation is wonderfully straightforward. First, drain and rinse 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, then mash them thoroughly with a fork or potato masher until you achieve a flaky, tuna-like consistency. Next, finely chop your celery and red onion. The smaller the pieces, the better they integrate. Now, simply combine all your prepared ingredients in a large mixing bowl. Stir everything together until it's well combined and evenly coated. This ensures every bite is packed with flavor. Once your vegan tuna is ready, the serving possibilities are endless. It's fantastic piled high on sandwiches, tucked into wraps, or served alongside crisp crackers for a quick snack. For a refreshing meal, try it over a bed of fresh greens with some sliced avocado. This recipe typically yields about 4 generous servings. To keep it fresh, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay delicious for up to 3 to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade vegan tuna.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.